In this short video, I'm going to show you how to add Google reviews to Squarespace. Unfortunately, since this functionality is not possible through Squarespace itself, we are going to have to make use of a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. So the first thing I want you to do is to go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video, and once you do that, it will take you to this website right here. From this website, go ahead and hover over the widgets button in the navigation menu right here. Then underneath reviews, I want you to go all the way down to Google reviews right here. Click on this, and then that's going to take you to your Google reviews widgets page. From here, click on create widget for free, and then this is going to take you to the template section. So you can basically decide which of the many different Google reviews templates you want to go for. So as you can see, you have a standard browser here where people can browse to different reviews like this. If you want a more minimalistic look, you can go for a standard badge, which is only going to display the overall rating of your business on Google. You also have a floating badge, you have a slider. So as you can see, there's many different ones to choose from. Go for the one that you want. In my case, I'm going to go for a standard carousel widget right here. Once you're happy with your selection, go ahead and click continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. And then now we need to find our business. That way the widget is going to know where it needs to pull the information from. You can either search your business by name or by address. As you can see, there's some notes right here that you can read in order to locate your business. In my case, I'm going to search it by name because it's a popular business, Empire State Building for this particular example here. Go ahead and click search once you've entered the business, and it should appear right here. If it does, click on the business, obviously, and then the widget is going to update with the relevant reviews. From here, what we need to do is basically customize the widget further if you want to. You have some filters here that you can set. So if you want to display the 5 stars first, you can do that. If you want to go to sorting here, so for example, if you want the reviews to be completely random, click on this. If you want most recent first, click on that one. On the left-hand side here, you can also customize the overall layout, the header, the overall reviews, the style, and the settings. I'm not going to get into too much detail about these because that's going to make the video very long. But once you're happy with everything that you've done here, and obviously the widget is displaying the correct reviews, go ahead and click add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen, and in a couple of seconds your widget will be created. Now before you actually taken to this page right here, you'll be asked to log in into the Elfsight platform. So go ahead and create an account, alternatively log in with Google, which is what I've done because it's much easier and quicker. Once you're logged in, it will take you to this page right here, and in the top right corner of the screen you will see a publish button. Click on the publish button. In my case, it's already published, so I can't show you that. Once you click on publish, it will take you to the plans section, which is where we need to decide on a plan. Since we want to do this for free, go ahead and select the free plan right here. So instead of current plan, it will say select. Go ahead and click on that. But in the future, if you want to use multiple of Elfsight's widgets because they have so many great ones, you will have to make use of one of the premium plans right here. But for now, go for the free plan. Once you've done that, you will be taken to this page right here, which is basically where we can now copy the code and start implementing it into our Squarespace website. So go ahead and click on copy code right here, and then go back to your Squarespace website. Once you are in your Squarespace website, go ahead and click on edit in the top left corner of the screen. And then I want you to go down and add a brand new section specifically for your Google reviews widget. Now, if you have a super minimalistic one, you probably don't need to do this. But in my case, I have a standard carousel, which is a bit lengthy. So we need to add a standard blank section to our Squarespace website. So once you've added the section or you're using an existing one, go ahead to the top left corner of the screen of that section, and you will see this add block button right here. Click on that, and then scroll down a bit and look for code here. Click on this, and then that's going to add a little code block to your Squarespace website. Then go ahead and position it wherever you want. And from here, select it. And then in the top left corner, you will see a small pencil icon that says edit on it. Click on this. Then make sure that the actual code here is set to HTML and not anything else. So go ahead and do that if it's not, and delete this first line of code right here. Then once you've done that, go ahead and paste the code that we just copied, and then give it a couple of seconds and your widget will be updated. Now, don't worry about if your script is disabled. This is just for the editor. I'm not sure why it appears. Once you go ahead and actually preview the code, everything will look great. So go ahead and size it accordingly. Once you're happy with the sizing, let's go ahead and click on save right here in the top left corner of the screen. Don't worry about if you don't get the sizing right the first time. We can go back and edit this accordingly so that it fits the screen properly. Go ahead and exit after you've saved, and let's go ahead and preview the website and see what our Google Reviews widget looks like. As you can see, that's mine, and it looks super nice and clean. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add Google Reviews to Squarespace. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.